In the age of knights and castles, when wars were waged to conquer kingdoms and claim glory, one weapon stood above all others as the ultimate force of destruction. A weapon so powerful that it could turn the tide of battle and bring down the mighty of fortresses. This is the Trebuchet, an engineering marvel of medieval warfare. But just how effective was it in the brutal siege of the Middle Ages? Was this medieval war machine truly as unstoppable as legend suggests? Prepare to witness the raw power of the Trebuchet and discover how it became the ultimate siege weapon of its time. Let's get started. The story of the Trebuchet begins long before the towering stone castles of Europe. Its origin traced back to the ancient East, where early engineers first harnessed the power of leverage to hurl projectiles over the wall. In ancient China, around the 4th century BCE, the traction trebuchet, powered by human strength, was developed. This simple yet effective design laid the foundation of what would become one of the most feared weapons in medieval warfare. As this technology spread westward through the Middle East, it underwent significant innovation. By the 12th century, European engineers had perfected the design, replacing human power with counterweight systems, giving birth to the counterweight trebuchet we recognize today. This new design, with its massive counterweight and sophisticated mechanics, allowed the trebuchet to launch heavier projectiles over greater distance with devastating accuracy. It became the weapon of choice for besieging the formidable stone fortresses of medieval Europe. During the height of its use, the trebuchet became a symbol of unstoppable force, capable of turning the tide of war. From the siege of Acre to the fall of Stirling Castle, the trebuchet proved its worth as the ultimate siege weapon. If you enjoyed this exploration of the trebuchet, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dive into ancient technology and tactics that shaped history. Until next time, keep your aim true, your trebuchets ready for the kingdom!